Hi, my name is Sunita Prakash Nanmani, daughter to amazing parents, mother to lovely twin boys who are now 22 years old, a retailer turned personal fashion stylist, style consultant, wardrobe editor, and a shopping guide. All these years I've been styling men, women, and teenagers to look their best and confident in what they wear. Today we are going to be talking about all the kind of questions that come to me, and these are my replies to them. My first question for today is, my wife is wearing a maroon sari for the wedding, and I really don't know what to wear because she's expecting me to wear something maroon to match up with her and look awesome as a couple on stage. You don't have to buy a maroon suit just to match up with her if you're not comfortable with it, because when you're not comfortable it'll definitely look a little awkward even in your pictures and it'll be there for your lifetime. You can go in for a dark navy blue suit and wear a maroon tie, a light ivory shirt, or a baby pink shirt if you're comfortable with a baby pink shirt, a maroon tie, and a maroon um, pocket square. Here's one more tip I would like to share. If since your wife is already giving her sari for stitching, the blouse is going for stitching, just take one small piece of it into and shape it into a pocket square and add it to your suit. You will match it up, and you can add a little bit of cufflinks that are little, which has got maroon stones on it, to match it up. The second question that I was asked is that my complexion is on the darker side. I cannot wear bright colors, so what are the shades for me? So here's my answer for you. Whether you're a guy or a girl, if you can't wear bright colors, then there are so many shades. If you like in particular orange, there's a lightest shade of orange called peachish orange. There is one beautiful shade. Get into the market, search a wide range of orange, and the lightest peach, or which has got a mix of pink, orange, and rust blended. This will definitely suit your complexion. A creamy yellow will definitely suit your complexion, and there is a baby pink will suit your complexion. So you need not worry. It's not the colors, that you just need to get the right shades. This question is really beautiful. I'm a South Indian. I have a round body shape and I wish to wear ghagra choli, which is quite heavy, so I don't know whether it'll suit me or not. So if you're a South Indian, then you must be definitely used to pavada davani. So pavada davani is nothing but a similar format of ghagra choli, but yes, it's heavier in the North India ghagra choli because it has more work and more embroidery, and it's more elaborate into detail. Whereas the pavada davani is really simple and elegant with the traditional silk and a simple chiffon dupatta, which is a basic thing. Where there, if you go into deeper and expensive stuff, there's more design to it. If your length of the skirt, if you're a little short, if you're short about 5 feet, then I think you should go keep the border small. If you're a little taller, 5.5 something, then you should keep the border big. So this, when the skirt flows on you, so the height, we get a visual effect of you looking taller and reducing your roundness to a slimmer fit. So definitely you can carry it off, nothing to worry about. Just go ahead with the flow and keeping the size of the border in mind, and you will definitely rock. Another question is very interesting. Suresh is from the corporate industry and he is asking me when to roll up and not to roll up the sleeves. See, it's not like you can roll up or not to roll up, it's just that depending upon the situation and you are. On weekends, you can definitely roll up the sleeves, that'll give you a semi-formal look. Wear it with the formal pants, you can roll up the sleeves, and nowadays the sleeves come in a different color, so it'll look semi-formal and not making it too loud. Definitely roll down the sleeves whenever you are in a meeting, so it gives the opposite person or the senior heads the kind of respect. It is just a matter of how you carry yourself in front of them. So these are my tips for you, and do let me know in the comments after you have tried these. Thank you so much. If you have liked this session, please do like, share, and subscribe, and do comment below, and do forward it to your friends too. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.